Samsung is expected to maintain a 4-camera setup on its flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While the primary, ultrawide, and first telephoto cameras will remain unchanged from its predecessor, there will be upgrades to the long-range telephoto camera. Recent leaks suggest that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will enhance capabilities while recording 8K videos. According to tipster Ahmed Quader, the phone will incorporate a 200 megapixels camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, a 10 megapixels telephoto camera, and an improved 50 megapixels telephoto camera. This upgrade allows for recording 8K videos with up to 5x zoom by leveraging resolution and larger pixels in the telephoto lens for better light gathering. The current Galaxy S23 Ultra offers 8K video recording at 30 FPS. Relies on digital zoom when zooming in during this mode. In contrast, the S24 Ultra introduces a 5x optical zoom lens for reach while capturing high-quality footage in 8K resolution. Additionally, reports suggest that portrait mode with a 5x zoom feature will be available on the Galaxy S24 Ultra alongside stabilization capabilities for both daylight and low light conditions. According to reports, the AI object-aware engine of the device functions with both rear-facing cameras. It is expected to provide portrait effects and various entertaining imaging capabilities. On the other side, it is said that the S24 Ultra will include a 12 megapixels selfie camera to the one found in the Galaxy S23 series. According to Ahmed Quader, Samsung has joined forces with Meta to enhance the quality of images and videos shared on Facebook and Instagram. This partnership allows users to post HDR images and videos on Meta's social media apps, enhancing the appeal of capturing moments within these platforms. A previous report stated that the Galaxy S24 will have a convenient lock screen shortcut for posting images on Instagram and Snapchat. Interestingly, it appears that only the Ultra will have a set of cameras among the lineup. Sources suggest that both the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will share same camera specifications. This decision seems to be influenced by sales of the Plus version, leading the camera module supplier to consider both models as one phone. The anticipated launch of the Galaxy S24 series is expected to confirm these reported camera changes along with rumored updates, like incorporating a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and introducing a sleeker design for the Ultra model. The release date is currently slated for January 2024. So, what are your thoughts on these camera enhancements for Samsung's S24 range? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates. I'll be looking forward to seeing you all in the next video. Take care and goodbye.